Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the today's discussion on the topic autonomous electronics overview. This comes under the unit number 4, that is introduction to autonomous connected vehicles and intelligent vehicles in the electric vehicles system subject. So the basic things which we want to know before the topic is what is the car purpose, then what are the modern trends, then what is the fundamental problem solving mindset, and what is the grasp of the user centric. We all know that the car is mainly used for transportations, and it will give safety and comfort. So the modern trends such as smartphones, touchscreens, GPS, voice assistant system, then the problem solving mindset, how we can make the car much more better than the mechanics or electronics. Then how the car will be designed with the real world needs, frustrations, and desires. So there is a big shift from mechanics to electronics. Like we are given two images. One is an engine compartment which shows the components which present inside the normal IC engine car. Second image, upper image shows the electric car. So there are so many drawbacks associated with the IC engines such as pollutions, noise, then more amount of mechanical components and reliability and fossil fuels are one of the biggest drawbacks of the IC engines. So we slowly move on to the electric vehicles. So it is an age of electronics. It is mainly controlled by softwares and sensors. It is nothing but a simple computers on wheels. We can give so many terms like that. So what happens if the software has a bug, whether it is an level 0 or sorry, level 1 or level 4, it has a software inside it, right, for autonomous driving. If it is having a bug, what will happen? Will whether it will actually crash or it will alert the driver that it has a drawback. Let us see. So this is the image which shows the frustrated driver in the traffic and a normal automated car drivers which we feel comfortable in the traffic. So what are all the core problems here in the electric vehicle? One is human errors, second one the long range, third one the battery management problems. So notice we didn't ask how do we build a better radar. We asked about how to prevent accident. The electronics is the solution. So this is the image which you shows the car little bit getting crashed here in the traffic areas. This tells the how the driver is enjoying the self-driving car. See, he's simply sitting and folding the hands back. So all the ideas which happening inside this car was once the conceptual thing in the class and later it developed in the labs. Then it implemented in the real cars. So the electronic cocoon. So the main problem we have to prevent accident with the help of ADAS system. We have some technical features like lidar cameras, ultrasonic sensors, which help us in automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. So your car is actually looking 360-degree around you. Even we can't able to look that much faster. Sometimes we will miss out something, but this car help us to look around 360-degree in an efficient manner. But we have to think whether we are becoming lazy. And in the right side, I have shown a car which shows the range, long range, short range, then blind spot, then parking assistant. All the things will be taken care of by the car. Only thing is we have to give proper update and network facility to the car. So we are living in a modern era. Actually, the car itself it is a supercomputer, and the infotainment system which we use is equal to a smartphone, and it has a greater connectivity which makes our journey as a joyful one. Almost 90 percentage of car which are manufacturing now it will comes with a digital cockpit, touchscreens, ECUs, cloud connectivity, and it will give navigations, streaming assistance. It will take voice inputs. That is what the image I have displayed. So the electric car itself is nothing but a green machine. It has an reduced pollutions and has a better efficiency. And we have some interesting features of battery management system, power inverters, and motor controllers to regulate the car in a better way. So the battery is an one of the important component which weighs about almost 500 kgs. So this is what the car camera looks like. It will tell what is the range of car, what is the type of car, whether it is a car or a truck or whether it is a pedestrian, and what is the traffic sign indicates, then what is the lane which it is going, whether it is a single lane or double lane, all the thing will be taken care of by the camera. Actually, it is a smart enabled camera. The person who sitting inside the car is simply enjoying. The car is working for the owner. So the car is an ultimate tech platform. It is not then just mechanical engineering. It is an computer, AI, UX design, and electrical engineering on wheels. So the biggest problem is still unsolved. So the next generation cars is being discussed in the classrooms, and future it will be developed in the labs and it will come to the market. So the students like you who sitting inside the class almost 10 to 15 years back was thinking about the autonomous vehicle. That is what the real autonomous vehicle running now. Similarly, the students who sitting now here have to think of in a better way so that the new idea will come again. So this simple mind map will tell about the autonomous electric vehicles more. It has major five components: powertrain, transmission control, safety, body comfort, network connectivity, infotainment system. So these are all some cars images from right from older period to new period. So this is some simple MCQ for our better understanding. This is some interesting riddles to get more curiosity about the topic. These are all some references. So thank you for your patient listening. We'll be discussing another interesting topic related to the electric vehicles in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Bye.